Back here with a look at Beam. Don't miss these huge opportunities out there, okay? Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I hate saying that, but I got to. We were looking for a bounce right up into this green box. Came just short right there, okay? And started rolling back over. All right, we came up to, what is that, about 3.3, and we were looking for about 3.4. So I just missed that thing. And started rolling over here. All right, so we're going to get that off of here. That did not come into play. We ended up coming right down. We were coming down to a support area. This should be a bull run support. We should not break this, okay? This is on a weekly chart. This has been going on for, 5 or 6 months now, back to November. So we have November, December, January, February, March, April, 6 months. 6-month trend right here, okay? You can see the numerous touches on it. We have a touch here, 1, 2. This is definitely a valid, 100% valid trend line. Now, as far as the Fibonacci goes, as far as the pullback, we are like, these sales are unbelievable. You got Beam down, 47%. So if you had $1,000 in your wallet, you now have $530 in your wallet. All right, big sale. These are huge opportunities, is what they are. All right, if you take a fib from the bottom to the top. Oh boy, this thing is just getting in prime territory here. I believe Bitcoin's heading down to the 50s. I'll show you here. It looks like it's doing 5 waves down, right about 55. Let's look at it here real quick. Which obviously is going to pull everything down a little bit more. Yeah, right around 55,500. All right, you got 5 waves going on in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th wave coming down, and you also have an ABC pattern in here. All right, if we move this off here, there's a lot of stuff lining up here for a bottom for Bitcoin. All right, if you take a fib, look at this. All right, Fibonacci, go from the top to the bottom. Stick with me here, please. You have a 618 in here. All right, you pull that down on top. That puts us around 53 here on this move here. All right, we need to be up just a hair more. I apologize. There we go. That 618's right in there. Pull this down on top. 53.7, 53.4. All right, that would be an ABC pattern. 53, 54,000. You take a measurement of the 5th wave, and you got about 54.8. So anywhere in that 54, 55,000 range. That's also a 786 pullback on the fib here. You put a fib on this thing and go from your swing low to your swing high. This move right here to the top. All right, you can see 55,000. That's right down to that 786. I believe that's where we're heading. So we got a little bit more of a push down here. All the RSIs are pointing that way too. And I think once we hit down here, massive bounce coming. These altcoins, you're not going to see a sale like this again, I don't believe, for a while. I think Bitcoin's going to rip out of here. You can see that 618 comes in here. Try to get this as perfect as I can. Actually it could be up right up here, because this is where this move started, right there. Okay, and pull your top down on top of that. It's a lot better. I apologize. This is on a weekly chart here, so if we pull this over right on this bottom, right about there, we're right around the 702. That's perfect. That looks a lot better. Okay, so could come down to this trend line right about right around 208. You got your 702 at 0.0217 and your 786 at 0.019. I don't think it's going to hit the 786. 702 looks like a very good area point. Let's look at the RSIs. Got the weekly at the bottom, 403 and 403. You got your daily. Let's see where that daily's at. This thing is so close to bouncing. I mean, you're looking at a, look at these as sales, guys. I mean, you got to look at the bright side. You really do. You're getting 50% off a beam right now, okay? Geez, I apologize here. Let's see, 12-hour. Let's try my other chart. Sometimes this Wi-Fi, if I have two charts open, it'll slow up on me here. Okay, yeah, beam. I mean, you got your let's see, the 3-day is right at the bottom. Okay, still a little bearish, could push down just a little bit more. You got your daily, just about corrected. All right, another hour here, and it's going to be very, very close to the bottom. You got your 12-hour on the floor, 8-hour on the floor, and your 5-day is right on the floor. Okay, and the weekly, there you go. Looking great. We don't have a monthly yet, but all your big time frames, the 5-day, the 3-day, the daily, they are all close to reset. And this thing is, this could be a bottom right here. Very well could be. I think it will probably wick down here with Bitcoin pulling down one more level. You almost got a head and shoulders forming in here, if you can see that. If you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, I have a level 3 membership. Go check it out. We have over 200 members in the members group. You get 22 videos and over 9 hours of videos and a link to our Discord, and come over and trade with us. We're getting ready to start trading again. The market's getting ready to turn around, and we're going to make some money. All right, and then when this bottom comes in, these things are going to bounce hard. I can guarantee that they are going to take off. And once again, not financial advice. Anything can happen. These things can go to zero. Everybody knows that being in crypto. All right, but looks like this correction is about over. Okay, you got your support line down here. You have a 702 fib level, and not much more to go down. I mean, if we do head down to that support line, that's going to take us down another, what, 10% roughly, something like that, 10%. Okay, so not too bad. I think the biggest beating is over with. So get ready. This market lullabies you into depression and thinking the thing's going to go down forever. You see what's happening here. We're wedging up. This thing is wedging up for a massive move. All these cryptos are. Look at this. You got this wedge starting, and these things are just going to blast out of here. It's all going to happen at once, too. You're going to say, oh, man, I wish I would have bought down there. And then it is just going to, move around in here a little bit, and boom, see you later. Take off. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that so much. And consider becoming a member. Supports the channel, and you'll learn a lot. Okay, you need to learn in a bull run. You need to know price targets. I show you how to look for all that stuff. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody.